naked?
Are you fucking taking a video of me now?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, Chelsea.
What? Talk about naked.
Huh?
Talk about naked.
N is for naked. A is for ass. K is for conch.
I don't know.
E is for erection. And D, dick. That's how you spell naked. And those are the words that are in it. That's what naked's about.
Alright then.
Holy fuck, hey, are these yours?
Yeah, why do you have my phone?
Why do you have me?
Oh, because you're in front of me. Are you gonna try and take a picture of me?
Hell kind of Kevorkian is this?
What?
Where's the button that says I can...
Fuck that.